Hello, and welcome back to Soul Science Halloween. Big finale for this year's Halloween episodes, Exploding Pumpkins. So, this is one where we say don't try at home, or don't try it at a friend's home. It's science teachers want to do. So in the classroom they might do this demonstration if you're really lucky. Yeah, it's not for you to try at home, okay? So now we've got the boring safety bit out of the way. The way it works is you pre-carve your pumpkin, so you sort of cut around like this and cut your little. But how much fun is popping those bits out? I mean, zero. There is no fun in that at all. And timed like however many pieces, it takes forever. So here's the science way of doing it. So what we're going to do is build up what's called acetylene gas, so it's a flammable gas inside the pumpkin. So mine was used to use it in their lamp, so on their head they used to have a little lamp and they put calcium carbide in it with a little bit of water, producing this acetylene gas which is flammable, and that would be how they lit their little lamp. So just to show you that, without any pumpkins, so there's one of the little rocks in there, it's kind of like gravel looking stuff, so a little rock, safe science, remember guys, always use your safety glasses, in with a little bit of water, obviously that fizzes producing the gas which is flammable, so if you light it, see, that's fun, but imagine if we contain that fun in the pumpkin. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. So if we set that off to one side, we'll start with a smaller one. So take the pumpkin, and the other tip to those science teachers out there that will do this demonstration, you cut a hole in the back as well. So when you can take the lid off. So, take your tub with your calcium carbide. Now remember, this is only science teachers that are doing this, not anyone else. Put that inside. Now, there may be a bit of noise come from all the excitement in the pumpkin. So, what I suggest is you cover your ears. But don't put your fingers in your ears, because if you get a shock, you'll mush your brain. Alternatively, you can use these. They're called thought projectors. They protect your brain. So you put them on, and now you can't hear anything. So the calcium carbide's in there. You add the water to it. You put the top on. Like that. And then you've just got to let the gas build up a bit. The trouble is you don't know how long to build it up for, so this is one you should probably practice before you demonstrate it in front of a class. And then so you just light your thing, and then touch it to the back. And there you go. Perfectly carved pumpkin, every time. Calcium carbide goes in. Water goes in on that, lid goes on, and remember hold the top, otherwise that one will fly out into your face. That's why you put your hand on the top of it, okay? So you just let the gas build up. So it's acetylene gas, it's flammable, be careful, so light it up here. So obviously I didn't quite get that one right, but I think it looks more creepy with his eyeball hanging out. So nice one, yeah. And then the final one, bit bigger one for the big finale. So calcium carbide in with the water. and there we go. Thanks for watching. Sorry, I can hear you now. Thanks for watching Soul Science. Happy Halloween, and remember, don't try it at home. Normally try it at a friend's home, but this one, try it with your science teacher.